Honda is known for its ability to maximize a single-engine platform for various motorcycle segments. The 1,100 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, first introduced in the Africa Twin, has become the backbone of their adventure motorcycles. This engine has a powerful character, abundant torque, and is suitable for various riding styles. Over time, this engine was also adopted for the NT1100, a smoother and more comfortable sport tourer designed for long-distance travel. The engine was further adapted into a more subdued form for the CMX1100 Rebel, a cruiser-style motorcycle, and the Hawk 11, a half-fairing cafe racer with a classic and aggressive design. Honda's success in integrating this 1,100 cubic centimeters engine into various genres demonstrates the engine's extraordinary flexibility. However, high-performance enthusiasts are wondering, when will Honda introduce a full-sport variant with an upgraded version of this engine? It is likely that Honda is considering its next move, whether to integrate this 1,100 cubic centimeters engine into a true sport bike chassis. Imagine if this engine were retuned to produce an additional 20 horsepower over the NT1100 version, making it a serious contender in the mid to high-end sport class. The combination of a high-torque engine, modern technology, and sport-oriented ergonomics could make the NT1100R a unique sport motorcycle that remains comfortable for daily use or fast touring. From the concept image you see here, the motorcycle features a full-fledged sporty design with sharp fairings, Honda Racing's signature white-red-blue color scheme, and the bold NT1100R lettering on the side panels. The front lights have a modern and aerodynamic design, while the body's curves give it a ready-to-race appearance. Unfortunately, this image is still just a CG rendering, and there has been no official confirmation from Honda. However, at least from this design, we can imagine what it would be like if this motorcycle were actually launched. It would certainly be a major surprise in the world of modern sports motorcycles.